highs around 100. You're listening to Oklahoma City Weather Radio, and here are 11 a.m. weather observations. At Oklahoma City, it was sunny. The temperature was 81 degrees, the dew point 61, and the relative humidity 50%. The wind was southeast at 6 miles an hour. The pressure was 30.24 inches and falling. At Norman, it was sunny. The temperature was 81. The wind was south at 9. Observations from around the region. Skies ranged from sunny to mostly sunny, and temperatures were between 81 and 88 degrees. Once again at 11 a.m. at Oklahoma City, it was sunny. The temperature was 81. This is your weather radio station WXK-85 in Oklahoma City, operating on a frequency of 162.40 megahertz. Programming originates from the National Weather Service Forecast Office in Norman, Oklahoma. The following is your hazardous weather outlook. This hazardous weather outlook is for portions of northern, western, central, and southern Oklahoma, and western North Texas. Day 1, this afternoon and tonight, no hazardous weather is expected. Days 2 through 7, Thursday through Tuesday, thunderstorms. Thunderstorms will be possible Friday night and Saturday across northern Oklahoma, with additional storms possible Saturday across southeast Oklahoma. Storm chances will be more widespread across our area on Sunday. Get graphics and more details at weather. Test of the National Weather Service radio warning alarm feature. Reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at a greater distance from the transmitter, will occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in perfect working order. During severe weather, the warning alarm will be activated for severe thunderstorm and tornado watches, and for severe thunderstorm, tornado, and flash flood warnings. The warning alarm will also be used for civil emergency messages. A test of the warning alarm feature of National Weather Service Radio is conducted at 12 noon and 7 p.m. each Wednesday, unless there is a significant risk of severe weather in the area.